If you were not here Friday or yesterday, I need you to lock in here. Okay? Good. Now look, when you have these triangles, you want to put an arc on the angle that they give you. Put an arc on the angle that I'm going to do both of these at the same time. You got to kind of get some parallel problems. You can see them done at the same time. So 72 is the given angle, 64 is the given angle. Put an arc there. Step 2. Now you need to label the opposite side, the hypotenuse side, and the adjacent side. OHA. So for those who literally don't know what they're doing, check it out. From that arc, you're going to draw an arrow opposite, and you're going to put an O for opposite. Does that make sense? If you haven't been here for 2 days? Okay. So again, from that angle, arrow opposite, put an O. So on this one, here's my angle, arrow opposite, put an O. Okay. Now the next thing you want to label is the hypotenuse, H. Okay. Does everyone know the H is across from the 90? Did you know that? People who weren't here Friday? Okay, so here's what you do. From the 90, arrow straight across, that's going to be your H. Across from 90, that's going to be your H. So now I got OH, OH. Your third side is called the adjacent. It starts with an A, adjacent. That means next to something, and this side that's left over is next to it. You're going to put A. You always need to be able to find the angle and label OHA. That's your first steps. Okay? If you can't do that, you're cooked. Okay? Now, so far so good. Next step. Out of OH and A, one of them has nothing on it. One of them is blank. So do you see how A goes to X? Okay, O has 25, but H has nothing here. So H is not helpful to me. H is blank, so scratch out H. I don't need it. On this one, do you see how A and H are cool, but O has nothing on it? Scratch it out. O has nothing, scratch it out. Okay, next step. You need to pick the right trig, sine, cosine, or tangent. So on the first one, the letters that are labeled are O and A. OA. So look at SOHCAHTOA. Which one is OA? Y'all see the OA right here at tangent? Okay, so T stands for tangent. So since T is tan, I'm going to write tan. And then I'm going to put parentheses equals. It's always trig, angle in the parentheses, and then fraction afterward, after the equal sign. Before we do that, look at the second triangle. AH. Get it?
No.
AH. Ah. Huh? All right. So AH is what? So, ka, or toa? All right. What is it? C is for cosine. So go and write cosine, COS, parentheses, equals. Okay, do you see how you have to label it? Scratch one out, pick the right trig, and now we're going to put the angles in the parentheses. What is the angle we started at? 72 goes in here. The other one, 64, goes in here. And now we're going to get those fractions. Okay? Tangent, we said, was O over A. So what's O over A here? O is 25. A is X. So 25 over X is correct. Cool? Now what about cosine? Cosine is A over H. So A is X. H is 11. So it's X over 11. For both of these, so far all we've done is set it up. Now, I'm showing you two at the same time for a reason. So look over here, lock in. You got to know how to solve it when X is on the bottom, and when X is on the top. They are on the notes, okay? But I'm going to show you right now just to make sure no one be like, I don't know what to do, Mr. G. So don't look at the Chromebook. Okay, look over here. Here's what we do. Do y'all remember the shortcut, right? Who wants to take the long cut? No one. So let's can I teach you the shortcut? Okay. When X is on the bottom, you're going to take this whole trig and switch it with this X on the bottom. They switch places. You essentially are going to multiply and divide both sides, and you can do two steps in one just by switching them. Okay. So this X goes to the left by itself. 25 stays on top. And then tan 72 goes to the bottom. Okay, do you see how X went to the left, tan 72 went to the bottom? They're off. It is. Go away. It's already off, sir. All right. Now, what is 25 divided by tan 72? $8.12299. That 9 will make that. Wait, is that? Did I do that right? Yeah. Okay. 8.122. The 9 will make the 2 go up to 3. 8.123. Okay. Okay. Do you see how to set it up and what to do with X on the bottom? Now, what if X is on the top of the fraction? Well, it's easier. You just need to get rid of the divided by 11. What's the opposite of dividing by 11? Multiply. So times 11 cancels that out. And this side will also be times 11. So you're going to type in cosine 64 times 11. Make sure the times 11 is after the parentheses, and you should get 4.822. 0 makes it stay the same. 4.822. This is the work that I'm looking for when you solve this. So any other creative ways of showing your work, or I did it in my head, make me laugh so much. Okay, so make sure you do the actual work the way I actually showed you, the way you actually should do it. Right? Okay. Now, right now, you're going to finish yesterday's assignment or anything else if I don't have a quiz for you to fix or the test to finish. So let's go ahead and get that done.